and records and analyzed videos like this. A Navy aircrew struggles to lock on to a fast-moving object off the U.S. Atlantic coast in 2015. Recently released images may not convince UFO skeptics, but the Pentagon admits it doesn't know what in the world this is. Or this. Or this. So what do you say? Red targeting cameras. So you're seeing it.
It's rotating. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude.
You can sort of hear us. Seconds later, the Princeton reacquired the target, 60 miles away. Another crew managed to briefly lock onto it with a targeting camera before it zipped off again.
You know, I think
You just have